Cybersecurity in 2025. A new era. Welcome to 2025. A time where the rapid evolution of technology is reshaping how we live and work. The digital landscape is expanding with unprecedented speed, bringing forth incredible innovation and unforeseen challenges. The convergence of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and cloud computing has opened up limitless opportunities, but also created a breeding ground for new and complex vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity professionals are the unsung heroes in this era, playing a pivotal role in safeguarding our interconnected world. This video explores the 5 most sought-after cybersecurity skills for 2025, equipping viewers with the knowledge needed to future-proof their careers in this rapidly evolving field. This marks the dawn of a transformative era in cybersecurity. As cyber threats evolve, the role of cybersecurity professionals becomes more vital than ever. Let's explore the essential skills and innovations defining this critical field. The essential skill set. 5 crucial abilities. The cybersecurity landscape is ever evolving, and mastering a well-rounded skill set has never been more critical. In 2025, these 5 skills define the cornerstone of effective cyber defense and innovation. These aren't just technical proficiencies. They are strategic capabilities that empower professionals to anticipate, mitigate, and outmaneuver threats in real time. Each skill represents a key facet of cybersecurity expertise, from understanding global threat patterns to architecting secure cloud environments, and from simulating sophisticated cyber attacks to innovating with cutting-edge technologies. Together, they create a framework for professionals to not only protect digital assets, but also drive forward the boundaries of cybersecurity as a field. In 2025, mastering these 5 abilities will set you apart in the cybersecurity domain. Number 1. Threat intelligence and analysis. The ability to anticipate and understand emerging threats is a cornerstone of cybersecurity. In an era where cyber adversaries evolve their tactics daily, professionals equipped with threat intelligence play a pivotal role in ensuring digital safety. This skill is not just about monitoring threats, but also involves analyzing complex patterns, predicting potential breaches, and implementing proactive measures. It requires a keen understanding of threat actors' behaviors, motives, and techniques to stay one step ahead in a fast-evolving threat landscape. From detecting phishing attempts to tracking malware trends, threat intelligence is about turning information into actionable insights. Number 2. Cloud security architecture. As businesses increasingly migrate to the cloud, designing and maintaining secure architectures has become a critical focus. Professionals in this domain must navigate complex challenges, from implementing advanced access controls to ensuring end-to-end encryption. The goal is to protect sensitive data while meeting stringent compliance standards. Cybersecurity experts must also leverage cloud-native tools, master multi-cloud environments, and employ strategies that address emerging threats specific to the cloud landscape. Building trust in these systems is not only about securing infrastructure, but also about enabling organizations to innovate confidently in the digital age. Cloud security is not just about protecting data. It's about building trust and resilience in digital transformation efforts. Number 3. Penetration testing and ethical hacking. In the battle against cybercrime, penetration testing and ethical hacking stand as frontline defenses. These experts step into the mindset of attackers, simulating real-world cyber attacks to expose system weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. Penetration testing is more than just identifying flaws. It's about understanding the root causes and reinforcing defenses. From probing web applications and networks to testing Internet of Things devices and cloud environments, ethical hackers ensure every digital layer is fortified. Ethical hackers provide actionable insights that empower organizations to strengthen their security posture. Their work safeguards critical data, ensures compliance with regulatory standards, and builds trust in digital ecosystems. Through a blend of creativity, technical skill, and strategic thinking, penetration testers and ethical hackers act as guardians of the digital world, transforming vulnerabilities into resilience. In 2025, as cyber threats grow more sophisticated, the importance of probing systems to identify vulnerabilities has never been greater. Ethical hacking isn't just about staying one step ahead, it's about securing the future. Number 4. Specialized skills. The edge of innovation. Beyond the essentials, specialized skills serve as the driving force behind cutting-edge advancements in cybersecurity. These advanced capabilities empower professionals to not only navigate, but also anticipate the complexities of emerging challenges with precision and creativity. From leveraging the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to designing adaptive defense mechanisms tailored for evolving threats, specialized skills are at the forefront of driving innovation. These competencies enable cybersecurity experts to redefine the boundaries of digital protection, ensuring our systems remain resilient in the face of constant change. We will be discussing specialized skills in three ways: development, security, and operations, DevSecOps. Integrating security practices into every phase of software development. Development, security, and operations ensures vulnerabilities are addressed from the start. This approach fosters collaboration between development, security, and operations teams, creating resilient systems. With development, security, and operations, security is no longer an afterthought but an integral part of the development process. This methodology fosters seamless collaboration between development, security, and operations teams, embedding security checkpoints at every stage of the software lifecycle. By automating processes and addressing vulnerabilities early, development, security, and operations enhances efficiency while ensuring robust protection against threats. Artificial intelligence-powered security solutions. Integrating security practices into the software development lifecycle, development, security, and operations ensures vulnerabilities are addressed from the very beginning. This approach emphasizes the importance of collaboration between development, security, and operations teams. By embedding security checks into every stage of the software pipeline, professionals can proactively identify and mitigate risks before they escalate. Development, security, and operations fosters a culture of shared responsibility and leverages automation to streamline processes, ensuring efficiency while enhancing resilience against threats. The synergy between human expertise and artificial intelligence capabilities is redefining cybersecurity strategies. Blockchain security. Blockchain security. As decentralized technologies continue to revolutionize industries, the importance of blockchain security cannot be overstated. Protecting sensitive information and financial assets requires a comprehensive approach encompassing the safeguarding of smart contracts, securing digital wallets, and deploying robust mechanisms to prevent fraud in digital transactions. By addressing vulnerabilities at every level, professionals in this field ensure the integrity and trustworthiness of blockchain systems, paving the way for their widespread adoption and innovation. Blockchain is paving the way for a new era of secure, transparent systems, but it requires vigilance to defend against emerging threats. Number 5. Career path. Building a future in cybersecurity. Building a successful career in cybersecurity requires a blend of technical expertise, continuous education, and strategic networking. It starts with understanding the fundamentals and gaining hands-on experience in real-world scenarios. Specialized certifications such as Certified Information Systems, Security Professional, Certified Ethical Hacker, and Cloud Security credentials not only validate your skill but also demonstrate your commitment to staying ahead in this dynamic field. With the ever-increasing reliance on digital systems, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing. This field offers diverse roles, from ethical hacking and threat analysis to cloud security and blockchain protection, catering to various interests and expertise levels. Networking and staying informed about emerging trends are crucial for carving out a successful career. Whether you're defending networks from malicious attacks or innovating new defense mechanisms, the possibilities in cybersecurity are both vast and rewarding. By continuously upgrading your skill set and engaging with industry communities, you can thrive in one of the fastest growing and most impactful fields of our time. Embrace the challenge, shape the future. Cybersecurity is more than just a career. It's a vital role in safeguarding our interconnected world. Challenges will include adapting to ever-evolving threats, managing complex systems, and staying ahead of malicious actors. By embracing these difficulties, professionals have the opportunity to contribute meaningfully to a safer, more secure digital environment. Your efforts can shape the future by creating innovative solutions, fortifying defenses, and inspiring trust in technology. Those who rise to this challenge will not only be in high demand, but will also play a pivotal role in driving the digital age forward. Together, let's ensure a resilient and secure future. Cybersecurity is more than just a career. It's a critical responsibility in our interconnected world. By developing these skills, you can contribute to a safer and more secure digital environment. The future of cybersecurity is bright. Embrace the challenge, shape the future, and become a guardian of our digital age.